Creating podcast clips by hand often turns into a full-time job that eats up your entire week. You spend hours scrubbing through the footage, trying to recall the best moments and manually chopping them out. Then comes the tedious work of adding captions, reframing for reels, and exporting in 5 different aspect ratios. Even after all that effort, you are still left wondering if any of these clips will actually connect with an audience. It's a massive amount of work for results that remain completely unpredictable. But what if I told you that you could press one single button and get ready to post clips in under a minute? The wildest part is that this AI doesn't just cut clips for you, it actually identifies the ones most likely to blow up. Vizard listens to your entire recording, finds the highlights, and gives every single clip a specific virality score. Think of this as a ranking system, usually ranging from 70 to 99, where higher numbers mean a much better chance of engagement. That score is incredibly useful because it takes the guessing game out of which clip you should push first. Instead of gambling on content, you start prioritizing the clips that already have momentum. Let me walk you through how this tool completely changes your creative workflow. First, we have to talk about source material, because your clips are only as good as the footage you provide. If you record on laggy connections or use audio that sounds like it's coming through a toaster, even AI can't perform miracles. But if you record locally or use a decent camera and a proper mic, Vizard will make those files truly sing. Most toolchains force you to bounce between recording apps, upload sites, and multiple editors, but Vizard changes that. It is built specifically to take your long-form file and instantly turn it into a content machine. You simply upload your session and give the AI about 30 seconds to work its magic. The software scans the audio and video to detect emotional peaks, strong hooks, and visual composition. Then it auto-generates a set of clips, giving you a steady cadence of short-form cuts for social media. For a 30-minute podcast, you can expect a dozen or more ready clips without ever combing through a timeline. Each clip arrives pre-edited with captions, aspect-appropriate framing, and professional pacing. The captioning is actually smart enough to know where to break lines and how to highlight speaker names. If you have specific brand colors and fonts, Vizard can inherit that look for a consistent visual identity. You never have to redo captions 10 times or manually resize every single export again. While you could press publish immediately, you will probably want to tweak a few small things. Instead of dragging waveforms for minutes, Vizard gives you simple conversational controls to edit. You can just type or tap to remove pauses, cut out filler words, or change the energy of the clip. The AI executes those edits in seconds, removing dead air and even suggesting background music. Think of it as having a conversation with an editor who actually understands your specific taste. There is also a one-click tools panel if you prefer that over using text prompts. Want to remove all the oohs and ooms? Just click that button. Need the best 30-second punchlines from the episode? One click does the trick. It manages to be incredibly powerful while remaining stupidly simple for anyone to use. Now let's talk about discovery and what actually goes viral online. Vizard's scoring system is trained on millions of high-performing clips across the internet. It evaluates conversational hooks, emotional intensity, and current viewer patterns. Anything above an 85 is high-performing, but a 95 is content you should absolutely bet on. That's not a magic guarantee, but it turns posting from a risky gamble into a data-driven strategy. Instead of just throwing spaghetti at the wall, you focus promotion on clips the model says have the best shot. If a clip misses the vibe you want, you can easily regenerate variations or adjust the start and end points. Need a different thumbnail? Ask Vizard to generate 5 options optimized for clicks. Need a vertical crop for TikTok? It will reframe the shot, keep faces centered, and move your captions. There is another layer most creators miss: mid-form and long-form assets. Auto clips are great for discovery, but sometimes you need a 3-minute segment for deeper conversations. Vizard also creates segments, extended cuts that preserve the natural flow of a conversation. It can even produce a full-length auto edit, balancing audio levels and adding your brand intros. One recording session now turns into short social clips, long segments, and a polished episode. Where Vizard really stands out is the complete end-to-end workflow it offers. Many competitors are siloed. You use one app to edit, another to schedule, and another to post. Vizard brings the auto-editing, scheduling, and calendar into one place so you don't have to stitch tools together. The auto-schedule feature is an absolute lifesaver for busy creators. You tell Vizard how often you want to post and it queues clips across your platforms. The content calendar visualizes everything: what's scheduled, what's live, and what needs a tweak. If you want to shift a date, just drag it in the calendar and all the changes update automatically. Collaboration is seamless too, as you can share preview links with guests to get their feedback. The old workflow of recording, scrubbing, captioning, and exporting used to take hours or even a weekend. Now you record once, upload, review the grid of content, and make quick tweaks. In under an hour, you have a week or more of platform-optimized content ready to go. The system prioritizes clips by engagement potential, so you always focus your energy on what matters. So what's the play? Record your episode, upload to Vizard, and let it spit out a suite of clips. Review the top-scoring pieces. Polish them with a quick prompt and let the auto-scheduler do the heavy lifting. If you care about growth and want to stop wasting weekends on low-return edits, this tool changes the math. You'll produce more content, spend less time on repetitive tasks, and make smarter promotional choices. It's not magic, but it feels close, and it frees you to focus on ideas and conversations rather than production. Try it on your next episode. Don't overthink it. Just upload and watch your output multiply. Pick the winners, polish them in a minute, schedule them out, and see the results for yourself. If you want to see more workflows like this that actually save time, stick around and I'll keep testing them. See you on the next one.